It is always exciting when we get a Hunkydory Magazine and Box Kit. We call them a box kit because that's how they arrive. They have a magazine and they have so much more. It's just a wonderful, wonderful value. Okay, so I'll show you the magazine, but let's look at the goodies that come. And as you would expect, having Hunkydory in the name, you are going to get the foiled die cuts. Now you get this set that's called Christmas Past, and with it you're going to get, with that sheet, you're going to get a foiled, adorable, scoreable cardstock. You're going to get a printed one. You're going to get another from the Christmas Past collection. Same thing, a foiled sheet and a printed sheet to match. And then we also have the Winter Gnomes. Very, very cute collection. And as you expect, there is a foiled one. You can see the foiling. And a printed one. So all of you gnome aficionados, this is for you. And also, I think it's fun to have the Christmas Past and the gnomes together. It's just kind of sort of something for everyone. And there is another one. In addition, there are there are 4 double-sided papers. And then there are 8 inserts. So I'll just turn this so you can see. And the inserts, you may know, are ghosted back images of what is in the foiled die cuts. So that just gives you more things, just really, really useful. In fact, our design team has used them on the outside of cards just as effectively as they use them on the inside. But this isn't all. It would be plenty, but it isn't all. There's also these stamps. Now, you gnome lovers, there's a tower of gnomes, gnome for Christmas, stocking, well, you can see all of that. There are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stamps. There's also an embossing folder. I thought that was really unexpected and very pretty. And then also Season's Greetings as a cutting die. My gosh, you've got something of everything in here. Okay, now let's see how the designers have used them right here in the magazine. And I've just tabbed some sheets that really caught my eye. And so here we go. You can see again, this is the collection of everything. And we'll go into ways and ideas of using them. So here we go. So that tower of 3 gnomes can be stacked a couple of times. If you want to do a slimline card or want to do something else really, really fun. Or if you want to do it on some wrapping paper or a giant tag to go on a great big gift, that would be fun too. The Christmas stocking can be decorated. I thought this was interesting. Just very simple gnome for Christmas and the little guys stacked right there. Okay, here we have some of the Christmas Past. This is a package with tea lights in it. I thought that was interesting. Wrapping it around a box in case you have something to give to someone. Also a rocker card. Now you can use this with any of those toppers. That will work perfectly. And again, here we go. So we're going to bounce back and forth between the Christmas Past and the gnomes. And just to give you ideas, some using the papers inside, some using something simpler, but really pretty. I thought that was just beautiful. Nice to have the clocks in there. Good to have some things for masculine and feminine. We always appreciate that. Thought it was funny to see these two on the same page, such a beautiful vintage look, and then this really cute little happy little gnome. I'm showing you this only because this is something more that we have. And also, we've got more ideas. Oh, aren't they just beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous cards. And we've got the gnome up there at the top. Here we have pondering poinsettias with an easel card. And aren't they just pretty? Really, really nice. Just absolutely lovely. And that's kind of what I expect from Hunkydory, don't you? This is talking about Bohemian Bliss. Now that's a collection from Hunkydory that we will have a little bit later, few weeks later. So just wanted you to know that we've got it. Here is just a really lovely card working with the dies and stamps that are included. And here we go. Just very striking. Look at the two very different looks using those same embossing folder. I thought that was really nice. And here we go. This is the stocking, those 3 little stamps, and or 1 little stamp, and different ways you can use it. Here we have the gnomes, just very cheerful and very happy. And the card humbug. I'm not sure why it's saying card humbug. I think it's because it's Christmas past, but they're beautiful looks. Just very, very stunning and very easy to make too, which is really nice, especially this time of year. And here we go. This die cutting essentials, I just wanted to let you know, this is also in stock right now. I'll be showing it to you in a little while. And then we've got very fun using that, that stamp and then just cutting out some papers or using it with the embossing folder to emboss those. I thought that was a really clever idea. Very pretty. And then I did this because actually Lene and Debbie just used these getting ready for a video or a webisode in a few weeks. So just give you kind of a preview of that. And there we've got putting these into tag shapes. So I thought that was an excellent idea, cutting down the artwork and the die cuts and so forth that are in the kit. And some very different cards. So again, step by step for this teepee, as well as these other cards. So there's an easel with a little rosette going on. And no place like gnome, that's exactly right. Just very sweet, very pretty. So I guess I'm saying the same thing over and over, aren't I? That they're beautiful and they're fun. Peony Promise is another Hunkydory kit that is will be here in just a few weeks. So Hunkydory, a magazine and box kit. There's the box, looks just like the magazine. You get all of those all of those foiled die cuts. There are 56 of them, 4 foiled sheets, 4 printed sheets, 4 double-sided papers, and 8 inserts, as well as stamps, embossing folders, cutting dies. My gosh, this has got everything. All from Hunkydory, all exclusively here at paperwishes.com.